Here we have another real life situation which will translate into a model using linear relation, correct? The question here is, the cost of a 14-inch pizza depends on the number of toppings. Each topping costs 90 cents. A pizza with 3 toppings costs $12. Write an equation of the form y equals to mx plus b relating the situation. State the meaning of the variable, right? Now it says very clearly that each topping costs 90 cents. A pizza with 3 toppings costs $12. That means with every additional topping, cost increases. So cost is dependent on toppings, right? So we have independent variable x, which is number of toppings, correct? And on the number of toppings, what is dependent? Y, and that is cost in dollars. That is what it is. Now to write an equation like this, we need two things. One, we need the rate of change. That means every topping will cost how much? Every additional topping costs 90 cents. So we got that one. And the second part is the fixed cost without any topping, correct? So if you know what is the cost without topping and cost of every topping, we know the net cost. Well, in the question, we know one thing. We know that the pizza with 3 toppings will cost $12, correct? So we can use this equation. We know y equals to rate of toppings is 90 cents. Every topping cost is 90 cents. So 90 cents, right? 90x plus b. And if x is 3, that is 3 toppings, the cost is 12. So we get 12 equals to 0.90 times 3 plus b, right? Therefore b is, we have to take away 0.9 times 3, which is 2.7, right? So let's solve it here. So b is equals to, let's solve this equation, equals to 12 minus 3 times 90 is 3 times 9.9, which is 2.7, right? So b is 12 minus 2.7 will give us 9.3. And therefore, we can write our equation as y equals to 0.9, let me write x, plus 9.3. So that is our final equation. Part B is determine the cost of pizza with no toppings. If x is 0, then the cost is 9.3. That is what we found, right? So y equals to 0.90 times 0 plus 9.3, right? And that gives us 9.3. And therefore, our answer is the cost of the pizza without topping will be $1.90, correct? That is how it is. Now you can check your answer. How will you check? A pizza with 3 toppings cost $12. So 3 times 90 cents is, each topping is 90, right? So 3 times 90 is 270, right? So if you add 270 to this, you'll get $12, correct? So that's the first check to see whether your equation is correct or not, correct? We have got, let's add 930 to it, that gives you $12, correct? So that is a check. So it's a good idea to always check your result, right? So that's how you can do this type of question. So we have a couple of more examples on pizza. See them together. Sometimes we'll give you the rate of topping, sometimes we'll give you the base value, sometimes we'll give you where 2 rates are given with 2 different toppings, right? So that helps to understand this kind of problem better. Okay, all the best.